What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl VC, and I am back to you with another video. This video is sponsored by WoWigsHair. This is their Fire Copper Curly Headband Wig in 20 inches. They are actually having a 50% off sale right now, and if you use my code Veronica, you will also get an extra 10% off. So yeah, go ahead and check that out, guys. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's hop right into this tutorial. This wig comes with 3 combs at the top, 1 in the back, and a Velcro strap. Now I'm just showing you guys what both of the headbands look like applied to the wig. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.